Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to break down the all-new Racer Air Breeze perforated short riding gloves. Okay, the all-new Air Breeze gloves retail for $79.99. As of the time we're shooting this video, we don't update for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's dive into sizing. This glove runs one full size smaller than marked. I normally wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. I've gone on a 3X right now. I've got a good, comfortable fit right out of the bag. That's kind of the hallmark with Racer. They're some of the most comfortable gloves on the market, and they live up to that billing for sure. Who are these gloves right for? If you're looking for what is essentially a full leather glove, right, that is heavily perforated, knuckle protector, good amount of protection for street riding, right, sport bike, touring bike, Harley, whatever, this is going to be a great option for you. Features and benefits, right? We've got a cowhide chassis. There is in between the fingers some stretch fabric that is going to allow air to drive into the glove. All that cowhide is heavily perforated, tons of airflow. I love the motion panels and how they did that in a contrasting color. The red really pops against the black. The fingers are all finished in leather with internal seams, which are some of the safest seams out there. Carbon knuckle protector, that's a good look there. Mesh panel back here for airflow. Clarino here, right, synthetic leather, that's going to cover the end of the ulna. Entry and exit is right here. Velcro and textile. It does come with a palm slider. What are the palm sliders on the gloves for? Most of us, when we fall, instinctively we're going to put our hands out, brace for impact. A standard palm on a glove, right, like a cowhide or a textile palm, that can grab the pavement, can pull on the glove seams too hard. It can also transmit energy into your wrist. There's a little bone there, scaphoid bone, that's, low blood flow. You break it, takes forever to heal. The palm sliders slide on the pavement much easier than the textile and or leather would, right? Helps to prevent any of that from happening. It's also much harder to wear through that, and they're basically invisible. When you're riding, you don't even notice it's there until you need it. Got an additional layer here in the palm of the glove to help manage wear, keep the longevity of the glove higher. Fully perforated panel here on the back of the hand as well. There is a little motion panel right here with textile, and it just makes the glove just that much more comfortable. Like when you put your hands over the bars and you go to wrap around, that expands and just moves easier with you, which is nice. This is an excellent, very affordable, heavily perforated leather chassis street riding glove from Racer. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. Answer all that stuff myself. I'm always here to help you choose the right gloves for your next ride.